Hi, my name is Gail Lee. This is my Enhancement 7 for my CIT 336 class. In this, we're supposed to create a client update. So let's go in here to my account, and we're going to put in the email address and the password. And this brings you to this page here. So let's validate this page with the validate HTML. And you see there are no errors. Up here, no errors. Up here it says successful. Then let's go back here and we'll do an update account information. I'll click here and let's update the name here. And we'll put a 1 after the email. So I'll leave my name, but that does work. So we'll update. It says update this, and we got the exclamation point. I'm going to put a 1 exclamation point in there. All right. Then we'll go back to update here, and we'll come in here and let's change the password. Put a different password in. And we'll hit update, and it tells us that it was successfully updated. So we'll log out of there, go back in, put in the email, click here. Okay, so we've got to come in here and change that since I changed the email last time. So put the exclamation point in there. And we'll come in here and put in the new password. And it shows this was successfully done. So let's click here and validate this page. Click here, validate, and we see here there are no errors. So everything's good. So this is the video. Everything seems to be working. See you later.